Hi folks, welcome to the beautiful Rolling Acres Mall. Today we're out here in front of the JC Pennies store, and I'm just going to pan around here and let you scope it out. I gotta get out of here. So things are kind of wrecked right now. I think this is where the escalator used to go, right here. Or, let's see, was that right? Yeah, maybe, who knows. And then here's another thing. I think the elevator was here. I don't know. Can anybody tell me? Please phone in. Area code 440 PB60. And let me know what the heck is going on. So they actually blocked the entrance to the JC Penny outlet store. And those doors, that's how you got in. Not that I would ever do anything like that, but I'm just trying to say, you know, for general information, you know, that happens sometimes. Okay, well, thanks for tuning in, and we are going to update this video here in another couple weeks. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you next time.